Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Rocket League not responding easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, first open now just type here run and click on it. Now here type this command local app data, just type it like that and click OK. Now scroll down until you find Epic Games Launcher and then save it, and here we'll find web cache. Now just click on it and delete it, and now go back to your launcher, and now here you will find Rocket League. Just click these 3 points and then click manage, and now just click verify and then wait for it, and then restart your computer and your problem will be fixed. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, and see you in the next video.